Good morning. So today I will show you how to use the control statement, conditional statement, and loop statement. Okay, in conditional statement, there are three ways. The one way is if by using if. If Boolean expressions, the sequence of a statement. And then the two-way if statement is if else. If Boolean expressions and then the sequence of a statement. And then for multi-way if statement is by using if, elif, and else, which is if Boolean expressions and then the sequence of a statement. Okay, so we need to create a program to see how to find the larger of two numbers or by using the if conditions. So to start, you can click start button and then find Python program. So find Python program and then select idle Python 38.32-bit. Since this is the program that we already installed in my computer, you can click file and then new file. Okay, so the program that we'll need to solve is to find the larger of two numbers. So let's start with the variable x and y. So type x, which is you need to input two numbers. So input, it is used that we need to enter a number by the user. So input and then enter the first number. And then y, declaring a variable int, then input, then enter the second number. Okay, and then what we are going to use is the if else condition, which is to find the larger of two numbers. So type if x is greater than to y, and then print x is greater than y. Else print x is less than to y. Okay, and then how to run the program? To run the program, you can click F5 or you can click Run Program. So, but before that, we need to save the program by using if statement. So, if statement or state, then click Save. Then to run the program, you can click Run, then Run Module. And then you need to enter the number, for example, 10. And then for the second number is equal to 15. So x is less than to y. The output is x is less than to y. So this is a sample program how to find the larger of two number by using if-else conditions. Okay, that's all.